raindrops are falling on my head. And just like the guy's feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on.
Hey, what are you working on, dude?
Not too much. I'm just working on the storyboard and script for an American Psycho spoof.
Damn, that looks really cool.
Thanks,
I
dude.
love that movie.
No, it's a great movie. Patrick Bateman. It's awesome, you know. All I gotta do is like look for people on location.
That doesn't sound too bad.
Hopefully it ain't too bad, you
You're
know?
almost done.
Almost done. Hey, I was wondering if you could help me with my project.
Hey man, I'm sorry, dude. I'd love to, but I got like a bunch of papers to write. I'm sorry. Maybe next time.
Sorry, I have a lot of things to do this weekend. I have a meeting with a friend and I have to meet up with somebody else to like plan and prep. It's not gonna work out, okay?
Sorry, man. I really got a lesson planned tonight.
Sorry, I really have to finish this lab report. It's due on Wednesday.
Raindrops keep falling on my head.
I have a midterm on Saturday that I have to study for, and I got a double date to go on, and I got so many people to see, and I got to prepare for my Bible study on Monday. Like, dude, there's a lot going on, but next time, for sure.
Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. The cry is not for me, cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying